Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the igniter in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because you're not getting any heat in your dryer at all. For this repair, we'll be using a short Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4 inch nut driver, a 5/16 inch nut driver, and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's our little short stubby guy because we're dealing with an awkward angle and not a lot of space. Now that we've got those screws off, we can tilt the front panel forward and those clips will come right out. And now we're going to carefully set this down. We've still got wires connecting the front bulkhead. So now all we're going to do is just unplug these two wires here. And we can set this bulkhead off to the side. So now we're going to unplug these wires here. And now we need to remove these two screws holding this entire assembly down. And once you've removed those screws, you should be able to pick up the burner assembly and carefully pull it out. So this is our igniter right here. And to get it off, we'll be using a 1/4 inch nut driver and unscrewing it. And all you have to do is just loosen up that screw a little bit. You don't necessarily have to take it off all the way, because once it's loose, you can pull the igniter right out. Now you just have to unplug it from here. And in order to do that, you might have to get a flathead screwdriver and stick it in there. And once you stick the flathead screwdriver in there to push the button down, you'll be able to pull the igniter off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement igniter. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And we'll put the igniter back into place here. Slide that right into the slot and tighten the screw down. You don't want to tighten it too much because you can crack and damage the igniter. So once that's nice and tight, you can plug the igniter back in. And all you have to do is just push the two plugs in together and they'll snap into place. Now you can put the burner assembly back into the dryer, and you'll want to make sure that the long gas tube slides back through the hole in the back of the dryer. You'll want to line up the tab in the slot right there, and once those are lined up, just move the entire piece so it goes into that slot. So once you've got that tab in that slot, your screw holes should line up nicely, and we can screw the assembly back down into place. There we go. Now we can plug these cables back in. There we go. And we can continue putting the rest of the dryer back together. And now we can hook the wires back up. So we're just going to make sure that we've got the wires in the same arrangement that they were before. Yellow goes on this side, and the blue one goes on this side. Okay. Now go back to the front. And now we're going to want to put the front panel back in place. To do that, we're going to just do the opposite of what we did to take it off. We're going to pick it up and angle it a bit and just tilt it back until you hear both of those clips snap into place. Then you should be able to close it up. And now we can screw the bottom back in. So you're just going to want to make sure your panel is pushed in all the way. And once you do that, you should be able to get your screw started in the hole. we go. And now we can just screw it back in. There we go. And once that's screwed in, you can plug everything else back in and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.